Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a Kenner starting lineup. Today we have baseball's Mark McGwire, and I'm hoping he stands up on his own. This is from 2000, the year 2000. A little 3D card, some stats on the back. You can pause and read if you'd like. Let's get it open. Just peel out that card first. There we go. Nice. Slipped right out. Got all that cool stuff in the back it's focusing it on. Wow, the back's almost blank. He's in swinging action there on that card. Alright, let's get it over here. Let's see, Shaq will hold that for us. And let's get McGwire out of the package. St. Louis Cardinals slugger and first baseman Mark McGwire. Start at the head, moves well. The arms move well, but they're attached to that bat, and they do not come off the bat anymore. The older ones I've opened do. Alright, let's see. Waist rolls well. Okay, so we got swivels well. 1, 2, 3, 4 joints move. No ankles, no knees. Let's see if it stands up on its own. Mark McGwire does stand on his own. Cool piece. That will be added to my Timmy's 10 again, the loose starting lineup collection. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.